In this video, we're going to talk about graphing linear equations using slope-intercept form. So I've graphed a general line here with the y-intercept labeled as 0b and a general point that is on the line x comma y. So now I want to be able to calculate the slope between those 2 points. Well, remember, the slope is the change in y over the change in x. So the change in y will do y minus b. Change in x, that's x minus 0. Well, we know x minus 0 is x. Multiply both sides of the equation by x. And if I want to solve for y, I'm going to add b to both sides. So when I solve the equation for y, this is what is referred to as slope-intercept form. So slope-intercept form of a linear equation is as follows. Y equal to mx plus b, where m is equal to the slope, and b is equal to the y-intercept. Okay, let's take a look at the first example then. So I want to graph each linear equation using the slope and the y-intercept. Make sure the line has at least 3 points. Well, this is already in slope-intercept form, so we know the slope is 3. I can rewrite 3 as 3 over 1. Change in y because that's positive, and we go up 3. Because the 1 is positive in the denominator, I would go to the right 1. Now, keep in mind, negative 3 divided by negative 1 is also a positive 3. So if it's negative on the top, it could go down 3. And because the 1 is negative, it could go to the left 1. The y-intercept here, that is negative 5. So as an ordered pair, that is 0, negative 5. Okay, my axes are labeled. I'm going to go by 1s here. So let's plot 0, negative 5 first. So I'm going to use the top slope. I'm going to go up 3 from the y-intercept to the right 1. Let's do it again. Up 3 to the right 1. Now, I want to use the other slope also. So from the y-intercept again, down 3 to the left 1. Notice it does not matter which slope I use. I'm going to be graphing the equation of the line. So connect the dots. Okay, let's take a look at the next example then. Okay, so now this is not in slope-intercept form, so I got to solve this equation for y. So subtract the 5x. Now remember, it's in mx plus b form, so I'm going to rewrite the negative 5x first, plus 4, divide by 2. Okay, so then the slope is negative 5 over 2. If you put the negative on the top, that means it's going to go down and to the right 2. But remember, I could also put the negative on the bottom. So if that's the case, you would be going up 5 and to the left 2. But remember, you cannot put the negative on the top and on the bottom. Why is that the case? Because a negative divided by a negative is a positive, and that is not the slope that we have here. The y-intercept, that is 2. So as an ordered pair, I can write that as 0, 2. Okay, so my x and y axes are already labeled. We're going to go by 1s. Start with the y-intercept. Now, I'll use the first slope, down 5 from the y-intercept and to the right 2. Now let's use the other slope. So go back to the y-intercept. I'm now going to go up 5 and to the left 2. Connect the dots. And our line is drawn here.